Hello my dear students. Today in this video we are going to discuss a very important topic of your English grammar, that is affirmative and negative sentences. But before we start, you need to understand what is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is positive by nature, and words like no, not, never, nothing and nobody are not used. For example, I shall want few soldiers. Here the words negation or negative words are not used. And the second type is negative sentence, which means it is negative by nature, and words like no, not, never, nothing and nobody are used. For example, I shall not want many soldiers. If you observe these two sentences, when we compare both the sentences, the meaning of the sentences are not changed. The same thing you have to do when you change any affirmative sentence into negative sentence, or any negative sentence into affirmative sentence. You're not supposed to change the meaning of the sentence. Okay, question will be asked in the exam, in which you will be asked to change a sentence into affirmative, to change a negative sentence into affirmative, or to change any affirmative sentence into negative sentence. But while changing it, you are not supposed to change the meaning of the sentence. If you see these two examples, I shall want few soldiers, which means I shall not want many soldiers. Both the sentence express the same thing. They are not opposite sentences. They are just used opposite words in the sentence, or negative words in the sentence, but the meaning of these two sentences is exactly same. The same thing you have to do, and while doing this you have to remember few things. If you remember these things, you will be able to change any positive sentence into negative sentence. The first thing you have to remember is you have to use opposite words. Okay, for example, all the students liked the program. It is positive sentence because negation is not used, negative words are not used, so it is positive or affirmative sentence. All the students liked the program. Now if you want to change it in the negative sentence, the first thing you have to remember, there should be a negation or negative word like no, not, nothing, nobody, never, like this. Here also I have used no, student disliked the program. First thing I have used negation, and the second thing I have used opposite word. Opposite of liked is disliked, right? So the meaning is not changed, only the sentence is, the nature of the sentence is changed. First is positive and then second is negative, but both the sentences mean same. Next thing you have to remember is degree of comparison. While changing the positive into negative or negative into positive, sometimes you have to change the degree of the sentence. There are three types of degrees, we all know: positive, comparative and superlative. If you have to change positive degree into any negative sentence, then you have to write not plus comparative. For example, Mumbai is as hot as Chennai. Here, this sentence is positive or affirmative sentence, and which is written in positive degree also. As hot as means positive degree. Then, when you are changing it into negative sentence, you have to use comparative degree as well as negation or negative word. So, how will you change it? Comparative degree into comparative degree. Chennai is not hotter than Mumbai. So we have used not, we have used comparative form of the adjective. Okay. Now if the sentence is in comparative degree and you want to change it into negative sentence, if the positive sentence is in already comparative degree and you want to change it in negative sentence, for example, John is taller than Stephen. Here taller than, it means the given sentence is in comparative degree, right? Now as it is in comparative degree, when changing it into negative sentence, you have to change it in positive degree. Okay, not plus positive degree. Stephen is not as tall as John. Stephen is not as tall as John means John is taller than Stephen. So we have not changed the meaning of the sentence. We have just changed the degree as well as the nature of the sentence. So we changed affirmative into negative. We changed comparative degree into positive degree, but we haven't changed the meaning, right? Now the next degree of comparison is superlative, right? Superlative will be changed into positive always. So when we change superlative into positive, we have to use negation always. Remember, in negative sentence you have to use the negative words like no, not, never, nothing, nobody, etc. So here also one example of superlative degree is given. Soham is the strongest boy of the class. Affirmative sentence in superlative degree. Now, if we change it into negative sentence, we'll have to change it into positive degree. No other boy in the class is as strong as Soham. So here also I have used no plus positive degree. As strong as means positive degree. This you have to remember, children. Then this was all about degree of comparison. We have learned that we have to change the word into opposite word. We have learned that we have to change the degree of comparison. And now sometimes the words like to and to are used in the sentence, positive sentence. While changing it into negative sentence, we have to replace it with so that. Okay, for example, the farmer was too weak to walk. Okay, so the words to, two and to are used in affirmative sentence. Now while changing it into negative, you have to use so and that. The farmer was so weak that he could not walk. Negative word not is used, and so and that is also used. So remember, if there is to and to in the sentence, you have to remove to and replace it with so and that. Okay, next is what you have to remember here. There are two more things you can use while changing the sentence into negative or affirmative. Use of without or fail to. These two words can also be used wherever it is needed. For example, I don't remember. This sentence, this is negative sentence, right? Do not, don't, negative word or negation is used. So while changing it into positive, you can replace it with fail to. Okay, I don't remember means I fail to remember. Negation is not used, but the sentence is similar to the previous one. Without is also another word which you can use in the negative sentence. For example, I love pizza. Very simple statement or a positive or affirmative sentence. Now how will you change it into negative? You can use without here. I am not without love for pizza. Both the sentence means same. So these are the two words which you can use sometimes while changing positive into negative and negative sentence into positive. The most important thing you have to remember is degree of comparison. You have to change the degree of comparison. You have to change the word into opposite word. You have to change or replace to or to with so and that, and sometimes you can use without or fail to. If you remember these things, you can easily change the sentences either from affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Thank you, children. I hope you all have understood, and this is the chapter which you have already learned in your previous year. I have just done the revision of it. Go through it and solve the exercise from your textbook. Thank you. Take care. Happy learning.